Daniel, this game wasn't here yesterday.
Then let's find out what happens when we press start.
Why is the TV glowing like that?
I think we're about to find out.
Where are we?
We just got trapped inside the game!
The sentence is wrong.
It should be, he goes to school.
We solved it!
One level completed.
That doesn't sound right.
It should be, she doesn't like pizza.
That was actually adorable.
I was preparing for a giant battle.
The answer is, I agree.
Keep moving before time runs out! They
Is ready.
They are ready.
The correct answer is, I didn't go.
Nice save.
This place looks incredible.
Maybe the treasure is here.
It needs one more word.
Listen to music.
We're rich!
For at least 5 seconds.
Now that's a boss fight.
And we don't even have weapons.
It should be, I'm bored.
One mistake destroyed. The dragon is shrinking.
Oh, just say, easier. The correct word is information.
We beat the boss!
The answer is B.
Discuss tomorrow is correct.
We're finally going home.
Let's jump before it closes.
We escaped the game and fixed 10 English mistakes.
Tell us how many you caught, and we'll see you in the next adventure.